Good Sunday morning. It feels good to get back to some of my normal routines like bed sheets and coffee and everything in the morning. It is Sunday. My hope was that I was going to go back to church today because I've been out for so long. However, we're supposed to get hit with this really nasty storm like any time now. My friend warned me that the thunder is really loud, so I've given Riley some of his meds. As you can see, he's struggling to stay awake and he's following me everywhere. So just been trying to get outside as much as I can before it hits. And then I've been doing some odds and ends things in the house, which today was predominantly going to be cleaning. Because obviously I've cleaned here and there as things have happened, but I haven't done like my normal weekly cleans. And there's dust piling up in different areas that need to be done. I also bought some picture frames for a few poster movie print things that I've had for years to finally put up in my office, as well as replace the frame for the one in the dining room. Got rid of the cheap one and upgraded a little bit. So we're going to handle that today. Other than that, it's probably going to be pretty chill Sunday. We'll watch church when it comes on, but I'm going to just be hanging out at home with the dog today. That didn't film. Anyway, this is one of the movie posters. This is the other one. I ordered the frames based on the description of these posters when I ordered them. And yeah, they're too big. So we're going to have to cut off some of the movie poster to make them fit in the frames. That's why I saved those little bits of cardboard so I can kind of just stick it underneath and hit it with a razor blade.
Highways and roads and all of these different things. Rivers were the original transportation system anywhere. And so if you study civilization thrives.
All right, well, clearly the storm passed quicker and easier than I anticipated, so that's nice.
Some may never come, road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the
The big rooms to dust are going to be my room and the living room and office.
I'm drenched in sunshine and good times, changing the station with an open mind. I don't wanna sound selfish, but I'm not coming back. The highs of your touch like vertigo. It's a fight or flight rush, no way to take it slow. Got me feeling like I could breathe in space. In space. Some may never come. Road trips and shotguns. Sunshine on my skin. Smile is kicking in. Vibes are in the air. Jumping everywhere. Endless nights. 'Cause summer's on my mind.
I sat for about an hour after I ate, and then I ran outside and took care of branches and fixed the mailbox finally. Now I just pray it doesn't rain again like they're saying. But next up on the agenda, we're going to give Mr. Riley a bath.
It's a fight or flight rush, no way to take it slow. Got me feeling like I could breathe in space. In space. Some may never come. Road trips and shotguns. Sunshine on my skin. Smile is kicking in. Vibes are in the air. Jumping everywhere. Endless nights. 'Cause summer's on my mind. Some may never come. Road trips and shotguns. Sunshine on my skin. Smile is kicking in. Vibes are in the air. Jumping everywhere. Endless nights. 'Cause summer's on my mind.
All right, there's my dinner. Again, quick and easy, and I have 2 more dinners for the next few days. So as always, I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this Sunday where I tried to relax, but I still got a lot of work done. As always though, I hope everyone has a blessed day.